Simply Shell, Simply Michelle. You're watching her on YouTube, and you know she got a vibe for me, she got a vibe for you.
It is 7 o'clock. Your girl been up since 6:15. Set an alarm clock for myself yesterday. My eyes are still puffy as hell, damn. Reason being that I wanted to have a little bit of time before the kids get up. Every day is the same thing in my house. I find that I get overwhelmed, or sometimes I wake up not in the best moods because as soon as I get up, it's like mommy mode and there's no time for me to process what I'm gonna do for the day. So I was like, you know what? Let me get up early. Let me come to the park, do whatever it is I want, whether it's just sitting in the car listening to music, walking around the track, manifesting, whatever it is, that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, I'm up here right now. I really didn't do anything except for just brush my teeth. That's why I look a little rough. You guys understand the message. It's all about finding time for yourself. A lot of you guys write me and ask me, how do you find time for yourself? You just have to take it. You can't just keep complaining about things you don't like. You have to actually take action and do it. Day in a life within my life as a mom of 3. Show you guys basically what I do on a day-to-day basis. Pretty much the same. Some days changes, but for the most part, I kind of like routine. So I'm gonna go to the grocery store. I do need to take the kids out today to go clothes shopping. By the grace of God, I'm in Sandy B's car. I'm in my mom's car. I love you, Mom, because she holds it down. I haven't been out like that because of the whole car situation, but God is good and God is amazing and He will provide. I do have a couple of other things I need to do. I think I need to go to the bank, and I have some update on the car, but I'll tell you guys a little later. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. If you're watching right now, look up and just say thank you, God, for another day, because even though you woke up and you're not feeling your best mentally, physically, whatever you're going through, whatever's trying, if you woke up today, you are blessed.
Oh no no no. Oh no 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 no.
Whew. Oh my God, I feel amazing right now. That was so freaking needed. Sometimes we want to do things, but we just don't act on it. A lot of times I'll be like, oh, I want to do this, I'll do that. Then I don't do it. I always find an excuse as to like why I can't do it today. So I'm proud of myself. I did that. But as I was walking the track, I was just thinking about like certain things, reflecting, and I just feel like God put this on my heart. A lot of us deal with disappointment. We've dealt with it more times than we've wanted to. I talk to like family, I talk to you guys via messages. I see through the conversation a lot of us are faced and are dealing with disappointment. Disappointment to me is just a constant letdown. It just feels so bad when people let you down, especially those who you hold dear to your heart. So what I'm learning now is that through disappointment coming from other people, stop trying to expect a you out of them. Not everybody is going to think like you, feel like you, act like you. You have to understand that people have their own habits. People are stuck in their own ways. And a lot of times people are not mindful of their actions, the things that they say. Through experience, I've learned that you can't change that person. You're not going to be able to change them no matter how much you express yourself, no matter how much you cry, no matter how much you communicate. A person's only going to change if they want to. The way the sun is in your girl's skin, that's God right now. If that means removing yourself from anything or anybody that's going to make you feel disappointed. If you don't want to keep feeling that way, then stay away. No matter how much you love that person, you're going to have to set boundaries for yourself and stop setting yourself up to be disappointed. It took me such a long time to see that, to realize that, especially if it's somebody you really, really care about. But once you remove them, they can't touch you. They can't affect you anymore. Don't expect a you out of them. Every time. Next stop, we're going to the grocery store. We're going to get some breakfast because I'm starving. All right, guys, back from the grocery store. Picked up a few items, got some breakfast stuff really, and then I got dinner. It's about 10 o'clock right now. I think I did excellent timing because I left my house around like 7 o'clock. And I love doing things early because then I have the rest of the day to just relax. Kids are actually up. Justin's been up since like 6:45. He is the first person up in the house. That's why I like to go out and just have alone time. Once I get back in the house, it's mommy, mommy, mommy. It's chaotic. I'm gonna whip up some breakfast for the kids. This is what I do every single day. Breakfast is very important in my household, so I always try to make sure that they have their breakfast. So yeah, we're gonna whip up something. I don't know if I should do pancakes, but I'm thinking I should do grits because I need something that's gonna fill me up. how do you do?
Shaky finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do? I'm inspired by this video. Lyric actually sent me this, so it's like a pancake with bacon and egg in it. Let's see if your girl can duplicate this. This seems simple enough. Want your breakfast? Yeah, take it. Is it good? You like it? Take the whole thing. Is it too heavy? Come on, I'll set you up. Here you go, baby.
Thank you.
Here, baby.
Thank you.
I'm super stuffed right now. Breakfast was amazing. You guys definitely need to try that out. It was so good, super easy to make. And I used the Eggo pancakes because girl, sis was not trying to do the homemade today. I got the itis, so I just sat down. I'm like, okay, I need to recharge because I'm starting to get tired, but the day doesn't stop. Right now, I'm going to put Justice in the bath, get him ready. The girls are getting dressed right now. I'm going to figure out what I'm going to wear. The weather's been real weird. It's been getting cooler now, which is weird. It's never really like this cool in August, but I'll probably wear jeans and a tank top. I don't know, something simple, but I'm just so annoyed with my skin. Like, as I'm looking in the camera lens, bruh, I complain to you guys about this in every vlog, but it's really getting out of control. I don't know what it is. I'm going to have to go see a dermatologist because in all of my years, I never had acne like this, and it seems like it's every day. It's like one of those big boils that, look, you can see it right here. This one just came yesterday. These two, I don't know, they made their way like 3 days ago, but I don't know, maybe it's just stress. Y'all, I need help. So comment down some recommendations because adult acne is just not where it's at, okay? Go ahead. Ooh. Hey, Papa. Wow.
Leaving on the track, you need for maybe we can be on chill. Got me up all night, only singing his love songs. Only singing his love songs. Ludacris, yeah man. Baby, how you doing? I wanna know what you got in mind tonight. VIP, they got way too crowded. About to end up calling it tonight.
So we are dressed. Baby Shark's coming with us. We about to go to, where are we going first? Oh, first stop, we're gonna go to Best Buy. So I'll see you guys when I get to Best Buy.
Fuck.
Can you say please?
Please?
What is this, a kitty cat?
Yeah, let's took off.
No, I have to pay for it. Hi, I'm here for a pickup. Thank you so much. Look at my children. Now you know you're too big for this.
I can still fit in it.
I'm trying to tell them I don't have no quarters.
Check your bag.
All aboard.
On the check-in captain's
Larry, you're gonna get stuck in there. All aboard. Chee. Sorry to break the news to you. I don't got no quarters.
Reach of us in the train, man.
Guys, so we're in the mall right now. So right now I'm gonna head into Children's Place and we're gonna focus on Justice and Mia, and then we're gonna go upstairs to, where do you wanna go, to H&M, right? Or Aeropostale? Yeah, and they got a sale. I see $4.99 and $7.99, so you know that's where I'm trying to be. Come on, children. Come on. Mia, what do you think of this? What? You didn't even give it a...
Ugly, and I don't like this.
You don't like the collar shirts?
Then dip me underway. You can feel my foot flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
My baby don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk out the door? Don't try to fight the feeling, cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for mom and dad for sticking to the game.
We was in the mall for like 3 hours. hours. To be honest with you, yes, baby. I'll get it for you. 1 second. I'm really surprised at Children's Place because usually I rack up in there, but they didn't have much. So Lyric is a bad influence, okay? She is. But she convinced me to get some AirPods. I got the, what are these, the second generation?
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm late to the party. I'm pretty sure most of you guys probably have AirPods.
I got them.
Right. And she's like, Mom, you're always like listening to music, watching YouTube, so get some. So I got some AirPods. I'm super happy. I also got a cute bedazzle case from Five Below. So you can set it up for me. I got Justice a pair of earrings because he pulls his earrings out. So I got him another pair. These cute joggers from H&M. They're super cute. And they're like fitted at the ankles. I like these. You know, mom life. I also got this cute black top. It's like a crop top, long sleeve shirt, super cute. This little tank right here, I think is cute too. I just love the color. I love nudes. I feel like nudes are so cute for me. And how cute is this? It's just giving very much schoolgirl vibes, motivation, okay? And representing for the melanin babies. I couldn't resist this shirt for Justice just because he's a little bro. I thought it was so cute. I got Lyric this cute hoodie, which is gonna be ours because it's super cute. And it says original, period. I don't know what it is, but a lot of these kids in this generation, they love walking around with sweatshirts. It's 90 degrees outside and Lyric has a hoodie on. Let me know if any of your kids do that. Why do you guys do that?
It's comfortable.
So that's that. We actually went to McDonald's for lunch. Now I'm about to clean up a little bit. I really just want to focus on my room because I have carpet in here and there's so many like stains. That's one thing I hate about having carpet is the floor getting dirty. I'm gonna attempt to shampoo my rug. My mom had brought one over a few months ago. We're gonna tidy up. Today's been a productive day, y'all. I really just wanted to spend time with the kids, you know, and take them out because, you know, we haven't really been able to do anything since the whole car situation. So I was like, let's just spend time and go out. But I forgot to show you guys, I got my nails done, I think the day before yesterday. And this is what I got. Just like a basic, classy, I guess you could call it nude. Enough talking, let's clean up this room, let's shampoo this rug, and then we're gonna start dinner. Okay, we gotta put it right here. Bring your cat here, okay? What's his name? Can you turn him on? How does he work?
So big.
We're only gonna put a little bit, okay? Oh, shit. Why is it hot? This shit started overheating. Ran into a little roadblock. I don't know what the hell happened with the shampoo. It's probably vintage. The shit started smoking. Okay, so we're gonna figure out something else to do. That's my sign to not clean today. I don't know why it's smoking, but I just put that bad boy out on the porch.
Ooh, okay, look at her with her AirPods. She jamming. You're down with the AirPod crew. Okay, okay.
Nachos is on the menu.
Nachos.
You making it, right? You and me.
I guess.
Cheese? I don't know what this else is, Lee. Sour cream?
Don't go to salad.
What you say? Huh? What? You got it.
This is how I'm doing it.
Yeah, you just want to break it out. Alright, y'all, this is the nachos. Lyric did it. We're gonna try it and we're gonna see what it's all about. We're gonna see if it's hitting or it's not hitting. We're gonna see if it's giving what it's supposed to get.
Let's both try it.
Alright, let's try it. My battery's about to die anyway, so we gotta hurry up. Come on, my battery about to die.
Oh no.
My battery about to die. Oh, my meat fell off. Damn it. Come on now.
It was on my hand.
Bussin'. Before I end this video off, I want to put you guys onto something. My sister came over today, right? And she told me about this app. It's called Yuka. I'll put it up here. It's a free app. Basically, you can scan all of your products that you have, makeup, skincare, whatever the case, and it's going to give you a rating and it's going to show you if it's like high risk, low risk, or if it's just really toxic. You would not believe the stuff that I was scanning. I got to throw out so much stuff. So I want to share with you because you guys know when I find out something, I'm going to share it with you guys. So it's called Yuka. I'm going to show you guys right now. I'm going to just...
The perfume. This one.
Yeah, we're going to just scan a random... And we're going to see what it says.
Good or bad.
Let's see what it says. So it came up 43 out of 100. So basically it's going to give you a list of like all the ingredients that are in it that are not good for your body. Let's do another one, Mia. Bruh. This is poor. One of the things that I like about it is it gives you recommendations of the stuff that you can use that is safe for you. This is my favorite, it's the body oil. It says 100 out of 100. So that's definitely a keeper. But listen, download this app because there's probably stuff that you guys have in your house that you've been using for years on your face, your body, everything, your hair. I threw out a lot of stuff and I have a lot more to go. So I just wanted to put that out there for you guys. But I'm about to end this video off. It's a realistic day in my life with my kids. We always try to do stuff together. It's always us, you know? It's always us, never them. So right now I'm about to take a shower, put my pajamas on, try to find something on Netflix. Let me know if you guys saw the movie Purple Hearts. If you have not seen Purple Hearts and you are like a sucker for love movies, watch Purple Hearts. And also, let me know if y'all watch Raising Kanan because the first episode dropped last Sunday and I can't wait to see it on Sunday coming up because Rocky, such a vibe. If you guys enjoyed, if you want to see more videos and the kids, please let me know. Also, subscribe if you have not subscribed. Your girl's climbing, okay? I need your support. Don't just watch it. Hit that subscribe button. Love you guys so much. So much. And I'll see you in my next video.
Simply Michelle.